According to Indian corporate filings,
most MSME manufacturing companies operate at 2% to 6% net margins.
that means a 100 crore company may only keep 3 to 4 crore.
After risking 30 to 40 crore of capital.
Is that really success? Let's break it down.
Everyone in Indian manufacturing loves one number.
Turnover.
50 crore rupees turnover. 100 crore rupees company.
But let's look at data.
According to Ministry of Corporate Affairs filings, a large percentage of Indian MSME manufacturing companies operate at net profit margins between 2% to 6%. That means a 100 crore rupees company may only make 3 rupees to 4 crore net profit.
Now ask yourself, how much capital is employed to generate that 100 crore rupees?
Let's take the glass and aluminium sector.
India's aluminium demand crossed around 4 million tons annually, with strong growth driven by infrastructure and auto sectors, as reported by Ministry of Mines and Industry Associations.
Sounds attractive, right?
But here's the problem. Most extrusion processors operate on conversion margins between 25 to 50 per kilogram depending on segment. If billet price fluctuates by 10 rupees to 15 rupees per kilogram, your entire margin structure gets disturbed. Now let's talk about capacity utilization.
According to the Reserve Bank of India's OBICUS survey, average capacity utilization in Indian manufacturing often ranges between 70% to 75%, and in slowdown phases, it drops below 70%.
For a capital-intensive plant, dropping from 80% to 65% utilization can wipe out most profits.
But turnover still looks big.
Let's do simple math. Example, 80 crore rupees turnover. EBITDA margin 8%, that is 6.4 crore rupees. Interest plus depreciation 4 crore rupees. Net profit 2 rupees to 2.5 crore. If capital employed is 30 crore rupees, that's barely 8% return. And Indian bank FD today gives around 6 to 7%. So you took industrial risk for 2% extra return? Now let's talk working capital. In manufacturing sectors like glass processing and aluminium extrusion, receivable cycles of 60 to 90 days are common. That means on 80 crore rupees turnover, you may have 15 rupees to 20 crores stuck in receivables and inventory. So turnover grows, but cash shrinks. This is the trap. High revenue, low margin, high working capital, high debt. Emotionally, it feels like growth. Financially, it is pressure. Now look at listed companies in capital-intensive sectors. Many operate at ROCE between 12 to 18% during stable cycles. Only the most efficient players cross 20% consistently. Why? Because manufacturing rewards asset turnover efficiency, strong pricing power, tight cost control, discipline in expansion, not raw sales growth. Turnover impresses society. ROCE builds wealth. If your business requires 75% utilization, aggressive discounting, long credit, just to maintain turnover, you are running for survival. The real question is not how big is your revenue. The real question is how much free cash do you generate after all costs? Because in manufacturing, revenue is vanity, margin is sanity, cash flow is oxygen. Build accordingly. Capital and capacity.